Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to send self-destructing photo on Telegram and guide you through the easy steps to share photos that disappear after viewing. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the chat where you want to send the photo, then tap the paperclip icon or camera icon to select a photo from your gallery, or take a new one. This is how you attach the photo to your message. Step 2. On Android, tap the stopwatch icon or the icon with a 1 inside a circle near the send button to access the self-destruct timer options. On iOS, press and hold the send button to reveal the timer settings. These controls let you decide how long the photo stays visible. Step 3. Choose your self-destruct duration. Select View Once to make the photo disappear immediately after the first view, or pick a timed option like 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or 30 seconds to control how long the photo remains visible after opening. Step 4. Tap the send button to share your photo. It will appear blurred with a timer in the chat, and after the recipient views it or the time runs out, the photo will disappear forever for privacy and security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.